Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to clear your iCloud storage in 2025. With Apple's latest updates, managing your iCloud has never been easier, but it's still essential for freeing up space, improving device performance, and saving on storage costs. Whether you're running low on your free 5 GB or dealing with the new AI-driven storage features, this guide will get you sorted in no time. First things first, let's check your current iCloud usage. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, tap on your name at the top, and select iCloud. Here, you'll see a breakdown of your storage, photos, backups, documents, and more. In 2025, Apple has introduced an enhanced Storage Management tab that uses AI to highlight what's taking up the most space, making it super intuitive. Next, start by managing your photos. Head to the Photos section in iCloud Settings. You can now use the new Smart Optimization tool to automatically offload low-priority photos to free up space while keeping your favorites accessible. Swipe through and delete any duplicates or old pics you no longer need. It's as easy as a tap. Now, let's tackle backups. Go back to iCloud Settings and select iCloud Backup. Review your device backups and delete any from old devices that are hogging space. If you have multiple Apple devices, the 2025 update lets you merge backups for efficiency. Don't forget about apps and documents. In the Manage Storage area, you'll find options to turn off iCloud Sync for specific apps, like games or rarely used tools. This will stop them from uploading unnecessary data. For documents, use the Files app to sort and delete large files directly from iCloud Drive. Finally, enable any new 2025 features like Automatic Cleanup, which runs weekly scans to remove temporary files. Once you're done, check your storage again to see the difference. You'll likely free up gigabytes. There you have it, folks. Clearing your iCloud storage keeps your devices running smoothly and your wallet happy. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.